When it comes to maintaining your large commercial properties, Beacon Cleaning is here to go beyond your expectations. We understand that your business needs to represent your brand well, impress customers, and ensure the safety of your property. Our comprehensive services will transform your property, making it look brand new. With Beacon Cleaning, you can have peace of mind knowing that our long-lasting results and expert care will exceed your expectations. How do we do it? We utilize state-of-the-art mobile equipment designed specifically for commercial, industrial, and government facilities. Our cutting-edge technology allows us to clean hundreds of thousands of square feet per day, drastically reducing the time compared to traditional cleaning methods. Without regular maintenance care, hazards that are caused by dirty surfaces can put your employees and customers at risk of slip and fall accidents. We are able to schedule regular maintenance for your large property to ensure the safety and well-being of your operations. At Beacon Cleaning, we prioritize your business's safety and security. Our dedicated team maintains the utmost professionalism and care throughout our entire operation. You can trust us to provide the best quality service, leaving your property shining and ready to resume normal operations without missing a beat. With over 15 years of experience in the industry, we have proudly served and cleaned over 20,000 commercial properties just like yours. Our track record speaks for itself, and our satisfied clients can attest to the exceptional results we deliver. Don't wait any longer to give your commercial property the care it deserves. Contact Beacon Cleaning today at 321-507-4851. Let our expertise and dedication help you maintain a clean and impressive environment for your business. Beacon Cleaning, your partner in commercial and industrial cleaning services. Trust us to make your property shine.